Preview.
Hi guys and welcome back. So as we said, once we purchase the hosting, you have to log into your control panel, and mostly the hosting provider will send you a link with username and password to log into the control panel. So control panel, there are different kinds of control panel. We have cPanel, we have the other vendors who provide a centralized panel where you can manage the hosting in a much efficient way and in the easiest way. Alright, so in this provider, they give a must. Actually, it looks more elegant and easy to manage all things. So as soon as you log in, every vendor provides an option called auto installer. So just look for that auto installer and click on the auto installer, and auto installer will take you to a page where it's going to give you a list of applications which are available to be installed, and all these are open source and free. So for example, under community you have options that you can use PHPP, or you can use a PMWiki or Vanilla Forum. It's also a forum option. Or you can go with Joomla or OpenCart if you have a shopping site. If you want to put a like a Flipkart, all those kind of site, then you can go with OSCart. Alright, so I'm going to show you with WordPress. So let's click on WordPress. So the moment you click on WordPress, it's going to take you to a page where it's asking you to where do you want to install it. So then if you have a domain, then it's going to directly go to the root. In my example, I'm going to install it on another directory because already I have a site running on the actual domain. So the moment you select that, it's going to give you an option to choose a username, and I'm choosing a username, and there's an existing account. Alright, so I'm going to make it as Learnext as the heading for the site, and click install. Now this installation will take a couple of minutes, not more than that. So while this installation happens, for WordPress, actually it is like it's a kind of a blog website, and it looks very simple, just the text, plain text, and no much image or graphics. So it'll be looking more simpler than you expect. So what do you have to do for that? So you need to install themes which would make it more presentable. I'll show you first. Let's go to the site and see how it looks like. Alright, you see, as I said, it's just text and there's nothing much. It looks awkward, right? Alright, so what we have to do, we need to go and install WordPress themes. So where do I go for the themes? I've given you a description link where this site provides around like 71 free themes. You can choose one from them. They are actually free themes. The only thing, they will have a credit on the footer where it will be mentioned with the name of the company, whoever the provider is giving it for free. Alright, in case if you want something more professional and stunning design, that actually comes with a cost. So for that reason, you can go to themeforest.net. I've given the link again in the description. So there, if you search for WordPress themes, you get actually fabulous themes which would cost you around from $20 to $70. So if you buy the theme, you can actually go to your account and you can download them, and then you have to upload it to the theme site in the WordPress. So here, how do you log in? So every WordPress site has a login page, which would be wp-admin, which is WordPress admin. Just enter that and click next or enter. Then remember the username password that you gave for the database, punch in that and click login. Alright, as soon as you log in, you will see the dashboard with other menus on the left. So what we have to do first is scroll right down and look for appearance and themes. Alright, so here if you have a purchased theme, you can just go ahead and upload the theme. If not, you can use the default themes which is already given. If not, you can go and search for some free themes which WordPress can give you by default, and you can choose among them. For example, let me go with the one which is already here called Scribble. So I'm going to install Scribble, and let me see if there is anything else I can choose. Okay, so this looks more professional, so let me install that as well. So as of now I have two themes that I have installed. I'm also looking for something called Learning in case it's related to learning site. Alright, so if you search for that, you find some sites called related to learning and education. Yeah, this looks more like an education site, and this looks like an academic site and more. So once the themes are installed, okay, it will be available for you on the appearance and theme page. Let me go back there. Okay, this is still installing, I believe. Yeah. Alright, so this is actually fetching from the vendor server. So it depends on the speed from the other side to reach your hosting server. So just give it a bit, like 3-4 minutes, and it should be done. So meanwhile, let's go and check the other themes. I'm just opening themes on another page. Okay, that's installed. Alright, now you see the list of new themes that you activated. Alright, so actually by default it will not get activated, it just get installed, and currently this is activated. So I'm going to activate the education theme. I just click activate. Alright, it's got activated. Now just go back to themes and you see that it is activated. Alright, now let's go and check the website, how it looks like. Go back to the same URL. Yep, it is changed. So now we need to customize the theme and make sure that you update your settings and all those information, which will make it much better way to present. So you have theme editor in case if you need to edit the theme, or if you need to customize themes, you need to go to customize. And widgets, I will talk about the widgets in later part. It is also pretty good options to help you to have some beautiful designs. And header and background, it's all about the theme functions. So I'll show you one more example by activating the other theme which we have. So activated, yeah. So let me go ahead and refresh. Yeah, now you see that theme is refreshed. Okay, but it doesn't look great again, right? So I'm going to show you another example how to work with themes and make some changes as it is. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and please do promote our channels and ask questions, and we will answer all the things. So see you tomorrow with the second session of WordPress themes. Thank you guys.